When it comes to creating a welcoming first impression, few elements of your home matter more than the front door. In Frisco's vibrant neighborhoods, where charm and modern design often go hand in hand, a door replacement is one of the simplest yet most impactful ways to enhance curb appeal. Whether you're preparing to sell your home or simply want to enjoy a refreshed exterior, updating your entryway can make a world of difference. Why your door matters. Your front door is more than just an entry point. It sets the tone for your entire home. It's the first detail guests notice and one of the last features prospective buyers remember. In Frisco communities where curb appeal plays a major role in property value, investing in a stylish, high-quality replacement door can significantly elevate your home's look and feel. From traditional homes in quiet subdivisions to sleek, modern residences in new developments, the right door replacement ensures your home stands out while staying true to the neighborhood's character. Style meets function. Today's homeowners want doors that combine beauty with practicality. Replacement doors come in a wide variety of styles, materials, and finishes to suit every preference. Wooden doors bring timeless warmth and sophistication. Steel doors offer excellent durability and security. Fiberglass doors provide versatility, low maintenance, and resistance to weather. In Frisco's mix of hot summers and occasional storms, energy efficiency and weather resistance are just as important as aesthetics. Many replacement doors now feature advanced insulation and weather stripping that keep indoor temperatures stable, helping reduce energy costs while keeping your home comfortable. Adding value to your home. One of the greatest benefits of door replacement is the return on investment. According to real estate experts, upgrading your front door is among the top home improvement projects for boosting resale value. A stylish new entryway instantly increases buyer appeal and signals that the home is well cared for. Even if you're not planning to sell, the satisfaction of coming home to a beautiful, updated entryway is priceless. Your door becomes a focal point that enhances landscaping, complements exterior paint, and elevates the overall design of your property. Personalization and design choices. Frisco homeowners have access to a wide range of design choices to match both personal taste and neighborhood trends. Popular options include bold colors like deep blue, red, or black for a modern statement. Classic finishes such as natural wood tones for timeless appeal. Glass accents that let in natural light while maintaining privacy. Custom hardware like decorative handles and knockers that add flair. Whether you want your door to blend seamlessly with your home's exterior or serve as a striking contrast, customization ensures your replacement is truly one of a kind. Making the process easy. Replacing your front door may seem daunting, but local professionals in Frisco make the process straightforward. From selecting the right style to ensuring a perfect installation, experts handle the details so you can enjoy the results without the stress. Many companies even offer consultations where you can see different options matched to your home's architecture before making a decision. A fresh look for every neighborhood. Door replacement isn't just about individual homes, it also enhances entire communities. When multiple homeowners in Frisco neighborhoods upgrade their entryways, the collective effect raises the charm and appeal of the area. This sense of pride in curb appeal strengthens community value and makes neighborhoods more inviting for residents and visitors alike. Final thoughts. Boosting curb appeal doesn't always require major renovations. Something as simple as a new door can dramatically change how your home is perceived. For Frisco homeowners, door replacement combines beauty, function, and long-term value. With so many styles and options available, there's never been a better time to upgrade your entryway and make your home truly shine.